These two vacuum cleaners are the most sold vacuum cleaners on Amazon. So which one is the right one for you? This one has 450 watts motor or 38 kPa, and this one has a motor of 550 watts or 45 kPa. Both of them has a battery that lasts up to 20 minutes on full speed and about 60 minutes on standard speed. And they both come with different extensions. So they have extensions for hard to reach areas and brush extensions. In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate them for you. So I'm gonna be performing two tests. The first test consists on cleaning some mustard seed, and we're gonna see which vacuum cleaner will perform better. And the second test is a suction power test, where I'll be trying to suck this rug with the vacuum cleaner, and we're gonna see which one can lift it from the ground. So let's start with the first test. Just before turning on the vacuum cleaners, I wanted to let you know that if you want to check them out, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. So for this test, I'm going to put both vacuum cleaners to their maximum suction power. And if you see, for the first pass, the 550 watts 45 kPa vacuum cleaner cleaned everything, but the 450 watts 38 kPa vacuum cleaner didn't clean everything, and it kept some mustard seeds. I'm gonna zoom in for you to see. And you see that it left many mustard seeds. The first test then goes to the 550 watts vacuum cleaner. So now I'm gonna start with the suction power test on this rug, and we're gonna see if the vacuum cleaners can lift the rug with the suction power. I'm starting with the 450 watts vacuum cleaner on full suction power. So in the middle of the rug, it cannot lift it. Let's see at the extremities of the rug. And on the extremities, it can barely lift the rug, as you see. Let's try now the 550 watts vacuum cleaner to see if it can do a better job. So here it is, and I'm gonna put it on full speed. So in the middle of the rug, it cannot lift it. Let's see on the extremities. And on the extremities of the rug, as you see, it can lift it better than the 450 watts vacuum cleaner. So this one is clearly the winner also in the suction power test. So as you saw, the 550 watts vacuum cleaner performed much better, and it beat the 450 watts vacuum cleaner in both tests. And in my opinion, it is worth the extra small price that you pay for it, as opposed to the 450 watts vacuum cleaner. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.